On this episode, we travel to White City, home of Carlsbad Caverns, where we go down to a big hole in the ground, avoiding the bats, and we see some unsurpassed beauty in the caverns. Please join us on our adventure.
Hey there, I'm Rose.
And I'm Dan, and we are the Half-Ass Travelers.
Good morning!
Good morning!
Well, we got a good night rest in the campground last night after the bear encounter.
Yep.
Rose, her fear took a lot out of her, so she slept really good. I swear to God, I turn around and she's gone. I'm sitting trying to get video and she like disappeared. Whatever. Anyway, so today we're driving through the desert to White City, which is the home of Carlsbad Caverns. So we're gonna go do some more spelunking today.
I can't wait.
Yep.
You know how much I love it.
I know you do. I love it too. So that's where we're going. We'll get some scenic video along the way. Hope you enjoy it.
Look where we are. Where are we, honey?
Okay, so we are at White City, which is the closest place to RV park to Carlsbad Caverns. We were originally going to go into the caverns this afternoon, but we are thinking about staying an extra night here across the street at the hotel. We're going to go check on the availability, but because we need to get some work done. So we may wait and do the cavern or the cavern tomorrow.
All right. Yay! Look
Good
where we
morning,
are!
good morning, good
Carlsbad
morning.
Caverns. I can't wait to go spelunking today.
Yep, we had a good night's sleep last night.
Yep.
It was a very quiet RV park. I didn't hear a thing, did you?
No.
Except the birds were chirping this morning.
Yep.
So,
here we go, hightailing it to the Carlsbad Caverns. Let's go.
let's go spelunking. Bats.
Yeah, I don't like bats. Going in, this is the start of our little journey down into the cavern. I hope not to see any bats.
I want to see bats.
They are not my friends.
They're everybody's friends.
If you look around, what's cool is just to imagine that this whole place used to be underwater millions of years ago, and you could even pan around and see that it's very dry now. So it's pretty cool how it's evolved, yeah.
Lots of fossils?
There are fossils in there, not as many as you would find in Guadalupe Mountains though. But yeah, if you keep a close eye to the rocks, there's some areas where you can find really cool fossils.
Thank you so much. So we're going down in, and all we smell is guano. It's guano. It's guano.
I don't want no guano.
No guano for you?
Going into the bat cave. Well, we just got out of the Carlsbad Caverns and they were absolutely mind-blowing. We were in the Caverns of Sonora, which were beautiful, but this is like a whole totally different animal.
Yeah, we gotta get out of this. We gotta speed this up. For some reason, after I felt that thing on my neck, sunlight's really bothering me.
You have 2 dots right there.
I know. Gotta get out of here. Out here, there is beauty like this around every corner. You just got to be willing to go off the beaten path.
Yep.
And sometimes pull off in a questionable parking area off the road.
Which we're very good at.